Mincing a clove of garlic and tossing it straight into a hot pan provides a great aroma, but it instantly destroys the vegetable's medicinal value. By adjusting your timing and pairing specific ingredients, you can increase antioxidant absorption fivefold and reach 20 times the anti-inflammatory potency of standard preparation methods. We are going to build a dinner optimized for this biochemical yield using broccoli, garlic, tomatoes, salmon, olive oil, turmeric, and black pepper. Beyond standard cookware, the most important tool for this process is a simple kitchen timer. The nutritional density of this meal depends on the specific mechanics of how you handle these ingredients before they ever reach the heat. First, chop the broccoli into florets and mince the garlic. Then set them aside. Do not turn on the stove yet. We need to let these ingredients sit at room temperature. While whole and intact, these vegetables do not yet contain their most beneficial compounds. A raw, undamaged garlic clove contains no allicin, and an intact broccoli stalk contains no sulforaphane. These chemicals only form when you physically damage the plant. Rupturing cell walls allows precursors and enzymes to contact each other. This initiates the chemical reaction that creates the active medicinal compounds. Applying heat immediately after chopping inactivates the enzymes before this conversion can take place. To maximize the yield, set your timer. Garlic requires 10 minutes to complete its conversion, while broccoli needs 30 to 40 minutes. This resting period on the cutting board is the specific requirement for these plant compounds to synthesize before they are exposed to the stove. While the vegetables rest, we can begin the sauce. Heat a serving of olive oil in a skillet, and add your tomatoes, turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory. However, when consumed alone, the human body metabolizes and eliminates it so quickly that blood levels remain effectively zero. This chart tracks curcumin absorption. The baseline is negligible until piperine from black pepper increases turmeric bioavailability by 2,000%. Curcumin is also fat-soluble. It requires dietary fat from olive oil to pass into the bloodstream rather than being eliminated. This same logic applies to the tomatoes. Simmering them in oil and heat breaks down their cell walls, increasing your absorption of the antioxidant lycopene by up to 550% compared to eating them raw. Pairing these nutrients with specific fats and moderate heat ensures they are absorbed into your circulation rather than passing through your system unused. For the protein, place the salmon fillet on a baking sheet and set the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We are avoiding the high-heat searing common in many kitchens, as intense heat is counterproductive for fatty fish. Extreme heat oxidizes the delicate omega-3 fatty acids in the salmon. This chemical damage ruins the specific polyunsaturated structures that provide cardiovascular and anti-inflammatory benefits. By keeping the temperature at a moderate 325 degrees, we preserve these fats. You are looking for an internal temperature of about 125 degrees, where the center of the salmon remains tender and slightly translucent. When cooking with fragile polyunsaturated fats, maintaining a lower temperature is the only way to keep the nutritional profile intact. Now that the 40-minute resting period is complete, transfer the activated garlic and broccoli into the tomato turmeric skillet. This final stage is a brief sauté. Keep the vegetables over the heat for no more than 3 to 4 minutes. Because the enzymes already finished their conversion during the rest phase, the resulting medicinal compounds are now stable enough to withstand this short period of moderate cooking. Watch the broccoli closely. You want to stop while it is still tender crisp and retains its bright green color. If the broccoli turns soft or takes on an olive drab hue, it is a visual sign that you have overcooked it and begun degrading the phytonutrients. This rapid assembly integrates the flavors of the dish without compromising the molecular architecture you built during the preparation phase. This is the finished meal. The contrasting colors of the salmon, broccoli, and golden red sauce indicate a successful preparation. By managing the chemistry on your cutting board, you've secured a bioavailable dose of sulforaphane, allicin, curcumin, lycopene, and intact omega-3s. Utilize these preparation rules for your dinner tonight. Take a photo of your results and tag the channel so we can see your optimized meals. The preparation methods you choose determine the final potency of the food you eat.